Hi everyone, Sarah Chung here. I am here for the 10K, 10 kilometer run at Mont Tremblant. I will show you my beep here. 10K, see that? 10K here. Yeah, in the morning, we are going to start in about 5 minutes just to say hello to you and wish me luck. This is my first 10K run in my whole entire life. But hey, we always need to do something new. I'm sure something that is healthy and is it will contribute to our mental health and fitness. Why not, right? And it's never too late to try anything new. Just one step at a time, okay? And be positive and choose your words wisely and always shoot for the stars. Okay. Take care, bye. Here. Cheers. Hi everyone, I just completed my 10K half an hour ago, I guess. Yeah, so this is the medal for the finisher. I finished my 10K. Oh, it doesn't matter how fast you're gonna run. I'm not here to compete with the, for like a top medal, but I'm here to just to finish my goal. When we started something, we need to endure to finish it, no matter how hard. No matter how difficult, yeah, my goal is just to finish the 10K. But I have never ever completed a 10K. So this is my first time, and this is the medal to show that I have completed my 10-kilometer run today. I am so blessed. I feel so accomplished. It's not like Olympic gold medal, but something that I'm very proud of because I'm 53. Normally, I wouldn't run for 10K, but because my kids are running, my kids are the one who actually train for it, and I feel that I should be part of it. I'm not there to compete, but I would like to be part of their journey. That's why I signed up to run for 10K. Here you go. Yeah, never give up. It's about the journey. It's about what you're going to learn through the journey. It's about endurance. It's about perseverance, determination, right? That's all I'm going to show you. See everyone here? So I'm actually lining up for the water, lining up for the actually lunch box. We paid for the lunch box. I'm lining up for the lunch box and some other coupons. Yeah, so I'm going to show you here. The hill soon. Going to 7K now. Sarah, you can do it. I can do it. I'm strong. I can endure. I'm at the 6 now. Woohoo! 6. Non-stop.